but it definitely sets it apart. Makes it look really nice, more aggressive. The other grill was nice, you know, the Jeep grill was nice, but this just adds to my style. Hey guys, welcome back to Revline89. So today's mod, we are getting rid of this grill. It's a nice grill, but for one, they don't have marker lights in here, and we want them back, the turn signal lights. All right guys, so this is the grill. This is how it looks. Pretty awesome. So we're not going to hook up the lights today. It's just your standard black and red wire, positive and negative. We're going to hook that up to a switch at a future time. Right now we're just going to get this on here and set up. So these are fog lights that we are putting on. Nice smoked, not fog lights, but marker lights. So nice smoke marker lights. Okay guys, for the grill, I popped out all my old things first. So first you pop these out. Don't pop this out yet. You just pop the top little pieces out, and once you pop them out, then you pop these pieces out, and then you just transfer them to your new grill, and then you put them right down in the holes. Make sure it goes over top, so everything wants to go over top. And if you have problem aligning, you know, the holes, what I do is start on this one first, this one second, and then for these put a Phillips down and then kind of pull just a little bit and then drop that one in, then drop that one in, and the others are good to go. And now all we have left is to drop these pins in, and these pins will help lock it in place. Oh man, it's a little hard doing with one hand here. So the pins are designed to go in a certain way, if you guys can see the little design there, but I'm trying to do this while holding a bunch. So let me see here. There we go. There we go. So we drop it in like that, pop it in, and you're good to go. Do that for the rest. But guys, look. Oh yeah. That is awesome. So there's the before, there's the after. Much more aggressive, much more cooler. Oh, I love this. And you know, we also added marker lights in it. This one did not have a spot for marker lights, so we added some smoked marker lights. I was gonna tint the headlights, but now that this is the same, I think I'm just gonna keep it because I like it. It kind of adds a little style to it. I will be tinting these though. I don't like that they're, yeah, we're gonna be tinting that, but guys, yeah, love it. Now that's what I call an aggressive grill. Excuse me guys. All that spray painting I've been doing on the hood. Yeah, so that's the finished product of the hood, yeah, of the grill. I can't wait till we get the hood put on, but it definitely sets it apart. Makes it look really nice, more aggressive. The other grill was nice, you know, the Jeep grill was nice, but this just adds to my style.